Alrighty, this is going to be the third test of the sound system for my Me109F. The only thing I did different this time was I messed around with the volume control just a little bit. Still not even near approaching full volume as till I understand the system a little more. I won't want to take any chances of blowing the sound card or the amplifier. This does get rather warm rather quickly. They advise you to mount it to a piece of metal to use as a heat sink, which I think I'll do in the top part of this intake. In this area here, I'll mount a little aluminum plate which will have the amplifier on it that allow air to dissipate that heat. So, on to sound check 3. Still, I have not set the points yet. The only thing different is I put a Zor 19-inch 3-braid prop on it, which should not probably affect this too much. I was going to attempt to adjust the sound a little bit there, but as you can see, that is a dramatic difference. Once again, nothing's permanently installed. I'll just tape this here just to keep this from rattling off and to keep the speakers somewhat aligned and in the box, otherwise it was just spinning. Second speaker's just laid once again in this cowl forward part right here. I'm still thinking, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up creating a box that's going to come down in this section here, which is going to completely create a sound box in this forward section of the cowl, which will help propagate sound. Should come out quite nicely through the oil cooler inlets and outlets here. The second one pointing backwards in the fuselage, for the lack of a better place to put it, I'm going to use the rear section of the fuselage as a secondary sound box to help resonation. I'm hoping to get enough sound out of this. A lot of guys run this system off of one speaker. I'm hoping to get enough sound to propagate off of this for the passes, that in conjunction with using the fuselage as a secondary sound box to get a little bit more deeper resonance. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned.